Hello students. Now today we are going to start your next program of your unit 3. The next we have studied about the addition program 8-bit number. We have studied about addition of decimal adjust program that is also 8-bit number. But now today we are going to start the program for 16-bit addition. Okay, for 16-bit addition you have to take 4 memory locations. Okay, like why I am telling you 4 memory location, because your microprocessor is of 8 bits. Okay, it is of 8 bits. Since it is of 8 bits, it will take one memory location will take 8-bit data. Okay, and so we cannot load the one memory location with 16-bit data, because 16-bit data is how many bits? I said you 4-digit number is known as 16-bit data. Okay, and 2-digit number is known as what? 8-bit data. So now today we are going to write the program for 16-bit number. 16-bit number means what? That means it is taking 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers, 2 numbers and 2 numbers, LSB and MSB. We have to load in the separate memory locations. Okay, so now I am adding two 16-bit numbers. When you are adding two 16-bit numbers, how many memory locations you need? See, 4. One 16-bit number, 4-digit number is known as what? 16-bit number. Then again one more 16-bit number you need. So how many it is now? 2, like it will be one 16-bit number is having 4-digit number. 4 means 2 will be divided into 8-bit and we can store in one memory location. Okay, so for when you are dividing and you are storing in one memory location, how many bit of addition? Like when you are adding two 16-bit numbers, LSB and MSB, 4-digit number starting and 4-digit number second number. 4 means for 2 memory location will be used by first 16-bit number. Then more 2 memory location will be used by second 16-bit number. Okay, now since we are using how many first 16-bit number is using how many memory location? 2. That means for one for LSB, one for MSB. Second 16-bit number will use how much? 2. One for LSB and one for MSB. 2 means 4. Till now we need input means 4 memory locations. Now again for storing the data you need how many memory location? When you will add LSB, first LSB, your LSB answer will be like first LSB number of this addition. Okay, then when you will add MSB, your result will be like in MSB. So again addition is also having how many? 16-bit result only. Then again 16-bit result is also again divided into how many memory location? It will also take how many memory location? It will also take 2 memory locations. So 4 memory locations for input, 2 memory locations for output, one for LSB and one for MSB. LSB means what? Least significant bit result. MSB means what? Most significant bit result. So we need how many total memory locations for this 16-bit addition? We need 6 memory locations. Okay, we need 6 memory locations. Keep in your mind. Okay, now after this 16-bit addition, it is like a big data is adding. So it may come, it may not come. Who is that it may? It may means carry. One extra bit will come, one extra bit will not come. So that is nothing but a carry. Carry will come or carry will not come. So, but even though it will come or not, what is our procedure now? We have to keep one memory location for carry. Now how many are over? 6 was 4 memory locations we are keeping data, input data. 2 memory location is like the result of the LSB and MSB, and 1 memory location we will keep for carry. Carry means what? An extra bit which may come or which may not come. Okay, now after this is our procedure. Now what is the procedure for addition of 16-bit numbers? How to add? First we will see, we cannot use accumulator. Now means directly we cannot load. 8-bit numbers you have loaded in directly in accumulator. But this number now we cannot load directly. What you have to do for loading? You have to load in the memory location. Memory location means who is a pointer here? HL pair. Okay. For loading the HL pair you have to load with the memory location. Here L will be loaded with one memory location and H will be loaded with one memory location. When you are loading the data in HL pair, it will take how many memory location? Keep in your mind, 2 memory locations. HL pair will take 2 memory location. For example, you are using at 8850, it will also take 8851. Then it will use first number is loaded 16-bit number. Then second 16-bit number also we should load. For that purpose what we will do? We will exchange the data with DE pair. We will send the data of HL pair memory location to DE pair. Now HL pair is empty, like free to take second 16-bit number. Now again we will load the second 16-bit number in HL pair. Again this HL pair will be taking how many memory location? 2. 8850 is 1 LSB, 8851 1. Okay, MSB. Then again second number we have to load 8852 and 8853. Okay. After loading second number, again both the numbers has came. Now we will use now we are not adding the data from the accumulator. We are adding the data from the memory location. For adding the data from the memory location, what is your contribution? What you have to do? Obviously, you have to use your DAD instruction. DAD instruction is only the instruction which will add the data from HL pair and one more register pair, that is DE pair. Both the data will be added and the result will be stored in HL pair. Till now for addition instruction we have seen that result is storing in accumulator. But now in this 16-bit addition program, instead of directly add instruction, we are using DAD instruction. Why? Because the reason behind it is that we are using DAD instruction because we are storing the data in memory locations. One data is in HL pair, 16-bit data, and one data is in DE pair. Both the data will be added and will be stored in the HL pair itself. See, previously 8-bit data is storing where? In accumulator. But here it is not like that because we are using DAD instruction. DAD instruction is only the one instruction where the data will be added from the memory location and it will be stored in the HL pair. That means memory location itself. So that's why we are using DAD instruction. Why we are using DAD instruction means because we have to add 16-bit numbers. Simply you cannot give the 16-bit number in any register and add, because registers means separately you have to give. But when you are giving to the memory locations, what you have to do? You have to give the data directly in the any memory location and you can add the data and you can store the data. Okay. So that's why we are using memory locations. For adding data from memory location, you should use DAD instruction, not add. DAD instruction is only the instruction which will add the data from HL pair from one memory location to DE pair. That means second memory location. After adding, it will store the result in HL pair, not in accumulator. Keep in your mind. Okay. After adding, it will store the result in HL pair, not in the accumulator. Okay. Now, since it will not store in accumulator, it will store in HL pair. Okay, fine. We have done this task. Next, what we have to do? We have to move for the next operation. Next operation is what now for us? Next operation is like after adding, it may come, it may not come. Who will come or who will not come? Carry. Extra bit will come or extra. For carry purpose, but what is our duty for carry purpose? For carry purpose, we have to store the data in one of the register. If there is carry is coming, automatically we will increment, or automatically it will increment to from 0 to 1. And again carry will also store in one of the memory locations. Okay. Then after carry store, finally our program of 16-bit number will be finished. Okay. So this is our concept. Now I will start writing the program algorithm, program table. Then I will go for the execution of the program. Okay. First program algorithm. Then I will go for program. Okay. Program. In program it will be divided into memory location, machine cycle, hex codes. Memory location, machine codes, labels. Any label is there, like jumping, mnemonics. In mnemonics we are having mnemonic. In instruction we are having mnemonics and opcodes. Mnemonics means like moving, storing, loading, and operand is nothing but data. Then finally we will go for comments. So this is our block. Then finally we will go for execution of the program. Okay. Now I am starting your addition of two 16-bit number program. Okay. Hello students. Now I will start the writing program of addition of two 16-bit numbers, or you can tell addition for 16-bit numbers. Okay. Now when you are adding two 16-bit numbers, what I said you, 16-bit number means what? It will be a 4-digit number. Okay, like this. Okay, that means one data you can store here, one data you can store here, one here, here and here. This is LSB and MSB. This is first 16-bit number, this will be a second 16-bit number. Okay, for example 0303 0404. Okay, what will be the answer now? 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, 7. This is also 7. What is this? This is MSB result, this is LSB result. Okay. Now finally how many memory locations we need here? This will be 50, 51. Means 80, 8850, 8851, 8852, 8853, 8854. Okay, 8855. So like this we will store 8850 memory locations, 8851, 8852, 8853, then 8854, 8855. Okay, we will store. Now one extra location we need for carry. So we will keep aside 8856. So how many memory locations we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 memory locations we need for addition of two 16-bit numbers, or for addition program also you can tell. Okay, your wish. Now for writing this program, what we have to do? First I will draw the algorithm of this program. Okay, first roughly I am drawing. Start the algorithm. Next, first we have to load HL pair. Okay, data will be in HL pair. So first number will come in HL pair. When it is coming to HL pair, how this HL pair will point? L will be pointed to 8850, H will be pointed to 8851 memory location. So first memory data will be going inside this L and this. So what is the memory location of L? 8850. L will point to 8850. On 8850 whatever data we will give, that will go, and 8851 whatever data we will give, that is in H, will be go to that will go to as the first number. Okay, H is pointing to which memory location? 8851. L is pointing to which memory location? 8850. Okay, so LSB of the first number is this, MSB of the first number is this, then MSB of second number is this, LSB of second number is this, and which is pointing to where? 8852, and this is 8853. Okay, now first what we have to do? We have to load first HL pair. After loading HL pair, we should exchange this HL pair data with DE pair. Why? Because HL pair should be empty for the second number. Okay, then now after loading, again we have to load the data in HL pair. Second number is coming now. Okay, second number is in HL pair. After that, again second number is over. Finally we need one place for carry. It may come, it may not come with 0 0. We will initialize with carry with 0 0. Then we will add the both 16-bit numbers by using DAD instruction. After adding, we have to check for carry, because checking condition, as you all know that algorithm will be like this. Checking condition will be in the form of square diamond. Okay, that means whenever it is coming in the form of square diamond, what it means? It is nothing but checking. Okay, it is checking. If after checking, if there is a carry, okay, it will check. If there is a carry, okay, it will store the result. Okay, if there is a carry, it will increment the carry. Okay, and it will transfer that carry flag to another register. After that, as soon as it will increment the carry, it will store the result of 16-bit number in HL pair. Then next, it will move the carry from accumulator to A register. Last, it will do what? Last, it will store the it will store the contents of register into memory. That means A register into memory. Why we are using memory? Because what I said you, everything is in memories. So finally, when we are choosing the data also, it should be like in the memory. When we are going with family or anywhere, what will happen? When we will go to there, you have to store the data wherever you want. You have to store the data. That means like that 16-bit number also you have to store in the memory itself. Means according to the convenience of the family only we will eat. For example, they are eating cold thing. You have to eat cold. It is not according to the convenience. If it is not there, something other you want which is not there, means you can leave it. But when you are going with some veg people, for example veg people, compulsory if it is a veg restaurant, you have to eat for veg. Now here also, if you are giving the data in memory location, what will happen? You have to add the data and you have to store the data in the memory location itself. So which memory location you are storing? Because 8850, 8851, 8852, 8853, two 16-bit numbers we are adding. Then we are having LSB 8854 and 8855. These LSBs are also in the memory, because data we are giving in the memory means what? Obviously your data is in memory, means obviously your result will also in the form of memory only. So finally your result will be in the memory location itself. Then here after adding the data, 16-bit data, you will increment the accumulator by 1 so that carry came bolke. Then accumulator by 1, then whatever data is in accumulator, it will move to the memory location, because finally we have to move the data of our whatever data is there. Finally we have to move it to the memory location, because program we are writing in memory location, obviously we have to write the data also in memory location. Okay, MSB and LSB. So what will happen if you will do this means finally you will get something. Okay, that means whatever result is there in your memory location 8850, 8851, 8852, 8853, then stop. Then it will add the data. After adding, it will give the data in 8854, 8855. Then after keeping the result in 8855, 8854 and 8855 LSB and MSB result, you should have one memory location for your carry. Carry is also coming. Okay, it will add, it will increment the carry and it will put in the dustbin for after adding it will keep the data. See, once again I am telling, when you are giving the data in memory location, you have to, first number you are giving in memory location, second number you are giving in memory location, finally result is also in memory location. What you have to do, you have to see for carry where extra bit may come or extra bit may not come. Okay, so but we have to do what, we have to keep the extra memory location aside, because whenever we will use something means some dust will come or dust may not come, but what we will do, anyhow we will have to keep some thing for the dust bin purpose. Okay, so that anything is coming like dust type, like what we are not using, we will put it in the dustbin. So like that, whatever carry may come or carry may not come. If carry is coming, it will increment the accumulator by 1 and it will move the accumulator data into memory location. So what is our main task? We have to keep the memory location, memory locations for carry, memory location for data, memory location for result. Then only we can complete our program. So here we are adding the numbers in 16-bit and result is also stored in 16-bit. Okay, next first you can see this algorithm. Okay, algorithm, what we have done here, 16-bit data into HL pair from memory location, exchange the data with DE pair, because HL pair can only be exchanged with DE pair. Second data you have to load from second memory location. Why we are exchanging the data from HL pair and to DE pair? Because HL pair should be empty, so that to load the second data in the memory from the memory location. Then we are initializing C register with 00. Why 00? Because carry may come, carry may not come. Then we will go for addition of 16-bit numbers. Addition of 16-bit number for HL pair and HL pair. One data is in HL pair memory location, one data is in DE pair memory location. So DAD instruction is used. After that, carry, we have to check for carries. Carry checking position is like this. Okay, if there is a carry, it will increment C register. If there is no carry, it will not increment directly. It will store the 16-bit result in the from the HL pair into memory location. Then if there is a carry, it will move the carry from C register to A register, and directly, why it is moving from C register to A register? Because carry also we have to store in the memory location. For storing in memory location, with memory who can contact? Only accumulator. So whatever store carry is there in the accumulator will be moved to the memory. Finally, it is like end of the program. Okay, so by this, like we have written the program algorithm for 16-bit numbers, for addition of two 16-bit numbers. Okay, now we have to write the program for box. Okay, like table we have to write. Okay,